Alright, what's up YouTube? So, me and Adam are all packed up, as y'all can see. Our bags and stuff in the back. We're headed to the lake in Austin. How excited are you?
I want to take a nap.
Such a baby. Alright, we'll let Adam sleep, but I'm just gonna kind of vlog throughout the little trip. We got about 2.5 hours, and then going on the boat Sunday?
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Going on the boat Sunday, so we'll try and get a little vlog or like a little montage of kind of like us being party animals.
I'm gonna sleep the whole time.
Yeah, Adam's honestly just a baby. Y'all gonna see what it's like in the, I wouldn't say daily life, but kind of outside the life of the gym. So, let's get it.
On a boiling desert road.
I thought you were gonna take a nap. Hour and 10 minutes into the drive. Yeah.
Is it true all the things they say that we will come to? Is it true all the things they say?
And just like I'm the man, yeah, you're not going to sleep. Yeah. Now you're not going to sleep. Yeah, take off the hat.
I heard that fucking camera come on. I heard that loud ass.
Hey, maybe we could pretend. I don't wanna let go.
Alright, I feel like a complete white girl, but just got some Starbucks. Yeah, instead of regular milk, I do oat milk because it's a tad bit healthier for you on ice. And I'm making big boy drive.
I think that whipped cream gets rid of any healthiness that came from the oat milk.
Well, I'm not drinking the whipped cream.
It's just there for aesthetic.
Yeah, it's just there for the looks of the drink. Yo, we're going into the basement. Finally, dude, we get to have bunk beds again. Miss Dawn, I really don't know if you'll know if we use the jet skis or not. Just go to sleep. We'll give you some melatonin or something.
No. There.
Well,
And we're in Marble Falls, so we're gonna, there's quaint little shops and...
You wanna get that pillow out?
little tubby boy.
Never let it go of your love.
Alright, YouTube, well, don't make fun of the bunk bed I'm laying in, 'cause this is literally all we have to stay in. We didn't end up going to work out today. We just decided to take a rest day and a rest day tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going on the boat. So we just swam at the dock and like kayaked and chilled and hung out and listened to music, and now me and Adam are about to take a nap so we can be energized, because Cannon's coming to chill with us, and then we're going to dinner. I'm just gonna keep montaging, keep this vlog going. What? Alright. It's like an hour later. Cannon's here. That little. And we're chilling. About to go eat dinner. Getting off the kids' menu, little boy. What? It's this side.
A middle-aged man.
What are we about to go do, little man? This is really hard for you. I know it is.
We're about to go night kayak before I was rudely interrupted.
Yeah, before he was rudely interrupted. It wasn't even that rude. It's just the night kayaking. Sick. We're about to go to bed.
That's crazy.
Hey, you wanted to join. What were y'all talking about? I took NyQuil, so y'all were gonna do what? Huh, Cannon? What were y'all gonna do?
We were gonna like...
Yeah, make sure I was asleep extra good. Oh, you think it's funny, huh?
I didn't do shit. I didn't say anything.
Yeah, wait till you fall asleep. My God, what are you doing?
It's 3 niggas in one bed.
I don't even have to cut that out, because he can say the N-word. Literally just Pringles and chips. Or Pringles and bread. Adam took a poop in 4 days. He just lost 5 pounds.
Oh yeah, I feel great now.
Mama Don. Alright, so it's currently, what time is it? 9 o'clock. Me and Adam are kind of bored sitting around the house, so we're gonna head to the gym. It's about an hour away because there's nothing open around us. So we'll see when we get there. Little guy we picked up. Hold on, you can't.
Crunch right now.
We're literally at Crunch. We're literally at Crunch.
If it's not open then I don't give a fuck. Then I don't even want to fucking work out. Poser, dude. Lose 10,000 followers and then catch me at Crunch.
That's great. It's pump. It's not pre-workout. Adam has a bedtime, so we gotta go to sleep early.
Bro, you're the one that's been going to sleep at like 10 p.m. every day.
That's
go to sleep
crazy.
before anybody.
Gotta hit some shoulders, tries, and some abs because we've been eating like absolute fat turds. We're gonna hit this workout. We drove an hour to come to this Crunch, so if this doesn't show dedication to getting in the gym, then honestly you need to get off your ass and go work out.
It's not a crunch though.
Yeah, just not a Crunch.
Go
Not
buy
a
an
crunch.
Alpha Land if you're a real fucking.
Rasher, you don't even know how to
skater.
skateboard.
Actually, I do.
Little boy,
Actually, I do know how to skate.
little boy, you don't know how to skateboard?
I do skate actually.
Crazy.
I just sold my skateboard.
What is this guy doing? Have you ever touched a weight in your life?
You ever touch vagina?
Just finished our workout and it was pretty good. Pump was kind of mid. Diet's been off, but it's all good. Gym was nice though. I'm always giving Adam and Kenan crap about working out at commercial gyms, but
You liked it. You liked it.
I liked it. I liked it. I liked it. Huh?
Yeah.
Gotta get some food. I need to up my calories a little bit, but hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We still have an hour drive back home, but as always, stay straight.